Hello, I'm Ian from Emotion Systems, and this is a brief video demonstrating installing our engine evaluation software onto Windows. So we start by double-clicking the downloaded executable, which you can get from the try page on our website. We can use default settings or default answers a lot of the time through the installation. You can just turn off the documentation here because we don't need this. This is a third-party tool that we use to provide a message bus system, which we use for real-time communication of progress whilst processing files. These are optional components, you don't need them. The functionality is still full without these, but this does provide real-time status updates during processing, so it is quite useful to have these. A little bit of information there. So we click Finish to launch the engine configurator, and this will start the license process off. Click Proceed. Now, as it says here, what you need to do is to send a screenshot of this dialog to support@emotionsystems.com, and we will send you the activation code. Once you receive the activation code, you can enter it into this dialog. Click the Activate button. So now we've got a 10-day evaluation activated, and there's the engine configurator ready to use. If you need any help using engine configurator, we have some other videos that explain how to set about configuring and creating configurations and workflows. If you need any help, do please contact us. I hope this was useful, and thank you for watching.